Hello, good people, and welcome to my channel. This is Smooth Sounds with Eyes On. I am Eyes On. My real name is Mark. I, I wrote a video, I made a video about Hurricane Milton, about what Hurricane Milton did to me. I'm drying my clothes now, as you see right there. And Hurricane Milton messed me up bad. I lost quite a bit of something. But I'm getting droll messages. I just delete them about what they wish would have happened, what should have happened, about about what I need to do, or what I should have done. I'm the kind of person I'm gonna try things 1,000,001 times before I ask for help. And if I fail 1,000,001 times, then I ask for that help, even if I don't want to. Because I failed 1,000,001 times, I know I need it. FEMA finally came by. They did their inspection, their observation, but they did it like a week and a half after Hurricane Milton. The majority of the damage was gone, but you can still see the water line on the ground. You can still smell a hint of the sewage. People, all that is to keep your comments to yourself. Don't bother me with the stupidness. Because right now, I'm going through hell, but I'm going to make it. FEMA not going to give me what I want. But hey, I'll take it as what I need. And I'll use it to get what I feel I need, what I feel I want. I want a house. I don't ask for much. And I don't beg for much. I don't talk to nobody, especially not my family. See, I'm supposed to be this big demon or whatever. All because I would tell you to kiss my ass and not give a fuck. I don't tell nobody all my business. You see that? Now, I've been asking for one of those for a long time, about 5 years. And my niece works at the one that could have made it easy for me to get that. But my sister told her, no, don't get it for me. See, at that time, it was a big want to keep from it being a big need. Now it's a big need. So now I need that. So I'm going to keep on doing what I do. You hecklers, you keep doing what you do. This is Smooth Sounds with Eyes On. I am Eyes On. My real name is Mark. Smooth Sounds actually came from an ex-girlfriend of mine because of my voice. Take care, everybody. God bless. There's another hurricane coming. Supposed to hit Louisiana. God bless you all. Take care.